Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a paper flower easily. This will be an origami tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, these are two examples of paper flowers that I made. This one has fewer petals and this one has more petals. They're actually really easy to make, and all that you need is a sheet of paper, something circular to trace around, a pen, and a stapler. Let's get right into the video tutorial. So I'm going to bring in a sheet of paper over here, and this has already been traced, but I'll show you what I did. I took a regular printer sheet of paper, as you can see right here, just a regular blank printer sheet of paper. I folded it in half this way, and then I folded it in half this way as well, just like that. And then I got a circular, this was actually my coffee travel mug, and I traced it on there. Once you've traced it on there, what you're going to do is you're going to take a pair of scissors and you're going to cut out the circle. And you want to try and be as accurate as possible. And we are actually cutting through 4 sheets of paper now. So we're creating 4 circles. You can make the circles bigger or smaller. It's kind of up to you. It'll just determine the size of the flower petals. And at the end of the day, the more circles that you have, the bigger that the flower will be. So the smaller flower that I showed you was 3 flower petals, and I believe the bigger one was 5. Now with each circle, you're going to fold it in a specific way. It's actually really easy to do. So what I'm doing right here is I'm taking it, we're going to fold it in half like this. Okay, just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be somewhat accurate. Then you're going to actually unfold it, and then in the opposite way now, we're going to fold it in the other direction, and also from this way being folded, we're going to fold it this way. So just like that, and then at this point we fold it in half. And you repeat that with as many pairs of petals that you're going to do. So fold it like this, no problem, in half, unfold it, okay? Fold it the other way, like that, and then fold it in half once again, just like that. Really easy to do, we're actually almost done. Fold it like this, in half, okay, unfold it, fold it the other way, just like that, and then fold it in half once again. And then lastly, fold it like this, okay, unfold it, unfold it, fold it like this, in half again, and then fold it in half one more time. Now we have all of these pairs of petals, and we're going to just line them up. So just like that, we're going to just line them up, tuck them inside of each other, just like that, okay. The last one right here, so this is going to have 8 petals because there are 4 sets of 2. Now we're going to line them all up, and we're going to put a staple right through there. So I'm going to take my handy dandy stapler right here, and I'm just going to put a staple, try and get it right in the center, just try and get it right in the center, and put a staple just like that. There you go. So I've now stapled it. It actually didn't go through fully, so I'm going to try that one more time. We'll try one more time. I'm going to get a staple and just put it just like that. There we go. Nope, didn't go through again. We're going to try one last time. Going to get the stapler and just put it like that. There we go. Now it went through. So now we have this stapled. All that we need to do at this point is we need to open up each of the petals and separate them just like this. Just open up the petals, and we will have created a simple flower just like that. So that's basically it. It's literally that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.